Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Integration by parts solves this definite integral quickly. We will break down the process into 3 simple steps to find the correct answer for this problem. Start by setting u equal to x and dv equal to sine x dx. Integrating dv gives negative cosine x, leading us directly to the standard integration by parts formula today. Now evaluate the antiderivative negative x cosine x plus sine x at the boundaries pi and 1. This creates 2 distinct groups of terms that we must subtract very carefully. Finally, substitute the known values cosine pi equals -1 and sine pi equals 0. Distribute the negative sign to match the correct option and finish the math problem now. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't miss the sign or wrong cos pi. Always use parts and check your signs.